As a visually impaired person, I find the worst bugbear is town planning and transport planning. As I'm getting older, mobility doesn't get any easier anyway, just because one's reflexes slow down and one's confidence slows down and one realises that if one falls one might break. And so, as they've sought to regenerate Newport to an extent, they've changed things for me just at the wrong time. They've changed the things with which I'm familiar to things which are far less accessible for me just at the time when I needed things to either get better or stay the same. So, although open plan areas and nice curvy things and no building lines, etc., they look nice, but actually they make it far more difficult for me to get around. Offset this and open plan that and curvy shaped the other thing makes it very difficult for me. And for those people who say, oh, but you could always have a PA with you, yes, I fully appreciate that PAs are a brilliant step forward for disabled people, but actually I don't always want to have a PA with me. I reserve my right for that society should be looking at my right to move around on my own. Also, in my work, I meet a lot of service users, other disabled people. I offer peer support. And one of my real worries about independent living and people living in the community, etc., is that if it isn't right, I think it can very easily condemn people to a life of isolation. And someone said to me the other day, and I just have to use this because I think it's really powerful. Somebody said to me the other day, if you're not careful with regard to care in the community, there's no care and there's no community. So if we're going to do this, please can we try to get it right?